So how to use Afterpay on StockX. So load up Afterpay website right here, afterpay.com. Now first thing you gotta do right now is logged in. Right now I cannot really create an account, I'm still waiting for the confirmation code on my end, but I'm still gonna teach you how to do it. So once you logged in, on the search bar right here, simply type in StockX. Click enter and look for StockX, the first results right there. Now this is gonna be loading up another website. So it's crucial to log in first, and you're gonna know why in a few seconds. So choose a shoes first, or item that you want. I'm gonna go for Jordans here. I'm looking for a Jordan 4 Retro. So this is the part where I'm gonna teach you why it's important to log in on Afterpay. Because if you click on make an offer right now or click on buy now, you won't have an option to use Afterpay if you're not logged in initially. That's why it's quite important to log in. So if I click on buy now there, it will redirect me to the checkout page if I choose a specific size. Right here, I have chosen a size, and as you can see right here, I cannot really click on pay. And there's no Afterpay options. And that's it. That's why you have to log in first. It's gonna be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys at the next one. Goodbye for now.